go. I'm gon' get it, yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic.
Alright, so on this episode we're going to drag race the twins and we're going to see who wins, and then after that we're going to up the juice to 18 volts and see what happens. So got my stopwatch and we're ready to go. So Glen's got a flag and then I'll go down to the finish line and see. Yeah, rub it, racing. That's cheap. You can't do that. Yeah, we don't say anything. Alright, so we've got the time. So Chevy crossed the line in first place at 19 seconds. So now me and Glen are going to take these bikes in and we'll juice them up to 18 volt and we'll see what happens. So 19 seconds. So I'm going to hold a competition on this. So now that she runs 19s over the 60 foot at 6 volt. Now that she runs 20 seconds in the 60 foot, we'll up it to 18 volt. So the competition is whoever gets the closest marked number here will get a free windshield sticker and we'll send it out to you. So make sure you put your numbers down in the comments there, and the closest person without going over will get a free windshield sticker. Alright, let's get into the next segment. We'll juice these up. Alright, so we've got one of the girls' bikes here. And we've got all the components. We've got the module for the batteries to clip onto, and we've got the batteries. I bought two 6 amp hour ones to go on there. So usually people put a speed controller in these things so you can adjust the voltage. So you can go from 6, 10, 12, 15, whatever you want to do.
We're just going all
Yeah,
the way.
we're just going to hand it to them, give them straight 18 volts because why not? So yeah, so we'll strip this down and we'll have a look inside and we'll see what we're looking at and we'll juice this up.
Should we plastic weld the diff?
Yeah, we might see if we can weld the diff or something. But yeah, alright, so we'll get this apart and we'll have a look. Alright, so on the inside we found the 6 volt battery is just terminals, spade bits. There's some form of, we're assuming that's a regulator of sorts, not too sure. Aurora, never mind. So we're going to just cut this glue off and we're going to put a couple of spade bits on. We're going to run some wires in through here and down through the seat to spade into that, so it can be taken back to 6 volt if the girls want.
We've gone from mid-mount to rear mount.
Yeah, mid-mount to rear mount. We've mounted the battery on the back, like so.
Put this through here.
Put them through there and yeah, and we're in. So we'll do this and we'll wire up the other one the exact same, and then we'll try and drag race these two again and we'll see what the magic number is, and then you guys can put it down in the comments and we'll reveal it on the next episode that comes up. So just remember Chevy won the first one, so we'll see what happens. But she did cheat, so we'll see what happens.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we've just got the 18 volt battery wired up. We did give it a bit of a test hit here on the bench, so, and it scoots. So
There's no smoke coming out.
no smoke, no fire. We've done pretty well here. Give it
It's all neat.
battery, yeah, it's all done, dusted. Really? Good. So the old bearings sound a bit worse for wear, but that's okay.
Copping it.
Yeah. It But yeah, we'll put it back together. We'll get the other bike done, and then we'll get into it.
That's one down.
Retro.
seconds is what they did you on 60 foot last time, so we'll see what they do on this one. Alright, so we've got the bikes converted over to 18 volt here. Chevy ran at 19.1, Rory ran at 20.2. So now that they're over to 18 volt, we're going to time it and see what they run. So we tested them, they're pretty scary. We don't know what the girls are going to do. So, alright, let's see how they go. Alright, flag them when you're ready. Wait! Hang on, Rory, come back. Ready, set, Rory, come on, bring it back up. You have to have a go. Alright, so I've got the times here. I'll let you know what they are in the next episode. So make sure you subscribe and put down what time you think they ran. Alright? Don't forget to subscribe, otherwise you can't win the competition. Alright guys, see you next episode.